The kind of setup and the faculties, those who are the main motivator for the students, they have done an excellent job. Today we are here at Mangalam University in the School of Hotel Management and Catering Technology. We had a wonderful bakery workshop with our sous chef, Chef Sher Singh and DCDP chef Ankit Kaushik.
ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा है केआर मंगलम में। काफ़ी ह्यूज स्पेस है बच्चों के लिए और बिग किचन है और बच्चों को सीखने के लिए मतलब काफ़ी अच्छा माहौल है यहाँ। हमने कुछ आइटम बनाए हैं, केक्स वगैरह हमने ट्राई किया है, बच्चों को सिखाने की कोशिश की है और ये अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा और बच्चों ने भी काफ़ी इंटरेस्ट दिया।
Are very enthusiastic. They are doing a great job in terms of learning and they are very cooperative to our chef. So at the end, I must say it is a great collaboration for KR Mangalam, and we have many of the students last year for our industrial training purpose. So they've been always very good to be a part of 4 Points Marriott, and we are looking forward in future as well.